Pistachios, often referred to as the green nut, are not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. These small, green nuts are packed with essential nutrients that can benefit your overall health in numerous ways. One of the key benefits of pistachios is their high content of healthy fats. These nuts are rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are known to be heart-healthy fats. Consuming pistachios as part of a balanced diet can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. In addition to their healthy fats, pistachios are also a great source of protein. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues in the body, making it an important nutrient for overall health. Pistachios are a great plant-based source of protein, making them an excellent option for vegetarians and vegans looking to increase their protein intake. Pistachios are also a good source of fiber, which is important for digestive health. Fiber helps regulate bowel movements, prevent constipation, and promote a healthy gut microbiome. Including pistachios in your diet can help you meet your daily fiber needs and support a healthy digestive system. Another benefit of pistachios is their high antioxidant content. Antioxidants are compounds that help protect the body from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. Pistachios contain antioxidants such as lutein, zeaxanthin, and vitamin E, which can help reduce inflammation, improve eye health, and protect against chronic diseases. Furthermore, pistachios are a good source of vitamins and minerals that are essential for overall health. These nuts are rich in vitamin B6, which plays a key role in brain function and metabolism. They also contain minerals such as copper, manganese, and phosphorus, which are important for bone health, energy production, and enzyme function. In addition to their nutritional benefits, pistachios are also a convenient and versatile snack option. These nuts can be enjoyed on their own as a quick and satisfying snack, or they can be added to a variety of dishes to enhance flavor and texture. From salads and stir-fries to baked goods and desserts, pistachios can be incorporated into a wide range of recipes to boost their nutritional value. Despite their small size, pistachios are a nutrient-dense food that can provide a wide range of health benefits. Whether you're looking to improve your heart health, support your digestive system, or boost your overall nutrient intake, adding pistachios to your diet can be a simple and delicious way to enhance your well-being. In conclusion, pistachios are a powerhouse of nutrition that can benefit your health in numerous ways. From their heart-healthy fats and protein content to their antioxidant properties and essential vitamins and minerals, these green nuts have a lot to offer. Whether you enjoy them as a snack or incorporate them into your meals, pistachios are a tasty and nutritious addition to any diet. So go ahead and grab a handful of pistachios today to reap the many benefits they have to offer.